Mm. Hello, my friends. It is your friend. And don't you forget it. It is your friend, CryptoFace. And tonight, we are going to have our Sunday going into Monday special. It's been a little while since we last recorded one of these videos. I meant to record this video actually earlier. We live streamed earlier, and I know there's many of you who are not able to make those, hour, 2 hour live streams and then kind of filter through the jargon to kind of get to the beef. So we're going to get right to the price action because I'm liking what I'm seeing. And I'm not just talking about this pump, but boy, we saw this coming. I'm not going to timestamp or go over what I went over in the stream, but we're just going to go over the time frames from back to front and a couple of things in between. Shout out to the Discord, the Market Cipher Discord. Been a little more active in there. Always when I'm in there, I'm doing the best I can. And even if when I'm entering in a trade, if I step in, step out 5 minutes later, step in, step out again, step in, that's just the way it is. I'm only saying it's because it happened a couple times this week. That's just how it is. Kind of like, I don't know. It's just the kind of the way I do things, and it's comes down to one simple saying that an old friend of mine would say to me, or that he would just say, and that is small wins, small losses, and big wins. Anyways, so we've been doing great. We've been kicking ass. First thing in no particular order here. Just the shape of the candles leading up to it. We spoke about this during the live stream, and we actually let's see. Man, I might actually need to timestamp because now that this candle's here, I almost don't remember. Aha, here we go. This is what we were talking about. On the 30-minute. Curvature is everything. When we see a lot of candles curving up with form, there is extreme probability of a pump, and we got it tonight. The difference, well, we can measure the difference between this upward move. This was 3 or 4 bars, 3 or 4 candles for a 1.5% move. For the same 1.5% move, we had a lot more candles, and so just the curvature, that's what separates you can just see it without any other indications. That curvature, it was looking pretty good. Anywho, going to the 2-week, man. Kind of feel like I'm looking at this for the first time, actually, in a while. I haven't really taken a good look at this. Look at this 2-week money flow starting to pick up. Interesting. Let's go to the monthly, because the monthly, particularly with Ethereum, wasn't looking that good because of this right here, but it looks like we have a little fight appearing in this green dot. What do you know? Hell, maybe that's all it'll be. Will all be. So 2-week money flow starting to curve up, starting to actually get kind of maybe something forming there. Let's go to the weekly. Pull everything up. Green candles on the hike and ashies. The weekly we actually have, let me clear this up a little bit. The weekly we have almost like a head and shoulders money flow. You know, typically we want to see a full circle, but hell, this will do. This will do, and it has done. This will do, and it has done. This little head and shoulders on the money flow has produced results. And now we got a little trigger wave. We got our basic strategy right here. The RSIs are gapped. The RSIs are gapped. Been eyeing this for a long time. Been talking about the same thing with these gapped RSIs and how that is a worry that we can retrace back down, and hell, maybe we will. But not looking at, I'm not really concerned with this far in the future. We're looking at it, but I'm not really concerned about this far into the future. This trade I'm in ain't looking that far ahead, but I tell you where I am looking. I'm looking for something up here. I'm looking to get back up in this range. For now, up to this spider line. Let's go to the standard candles. We are beckoning the force field, baby. Beckoning the force field. Look at this daily. How much time? We still have 16 hours left in the daily for this trigger wave to potentially confirm. Maybe we just get a little momentum wave like this. Hell, maybe it spends more time. Maybe it takes another, however, whatever long to get up there, or not. Maybe it breaks with this ETF talk. My guess is they'll probably put it off and postpone some type of decision. But I'm not clear on the ETF news here. I am not the news source guy, so take this with a whole lot of grains of salt. The ETF kind of decision thing can make us or break us, so it can give us a, maybe this pump was because someone knows something we don't and they're getting in early, you know, fundamentally speaking. But reverse, you know, if the news comes the other way and something, whatever is appealed, or the appeal is held up, or whatever it is, whatever's against the ETF pops up, or even if the date is just set back, I actually would prefer the date for some ETF assurance to be pushed back to next year. We want the 4-year cycle to have backup. But whatever. If bad news comes, it can quickly chop us right back down, and you know, so we, you know, you kind of stay on your toes, maybe set up your protections. If you're talking about stop losses, this is not a time. Well, let me put it to you this way, because I'm not the one trading for you. And I always, with my stop losses, I chop them up. I don't have the whole position exit out in one go. I think that's just common sense. You have some here, some there, some there, some there. Chop it up. That's what I do. You can do whatever you want. So this daily looking good. The dual band looking good. Let's enhance the 12-hour. It's fighting kind of in the green. It's, you know, kind of nor here nor there, but we do have momentum increasing. Momentum is on the bottom and it is increasing. You know, you look right here. Where was price? Right here. Price was right here. We're right here. Price was right here. So I see no reason why we cannot get up to this 28 4s, 28 3s, wick over this 28 7s, you know, for the immediate short term. What I believe is absolutely in the cards is for us to not only break through this line, but come back up here again. It is resistance, is it not? We are in a channel, are we not? Whoops. What's our entry? 26,772 is the average entry. 26,772. 783 is close enough. Yeah, so I'm looking in a perfect world without taking profits before. If I didn't touch no profits, I'm looking for a 15-18% gain. Looking to bag me 300, 400K. But you know what? I'm not setting no goals, because whenever I set those goals, it's always something always bad happens. So, but whatever. I don't care what happens as long as I make. I'll take what I can get, Lord Jesus. Whatever you give me, I'm happy with, Jesus. Thank you. On the 4 hour. Man, this was steep. This was something else we went over in the live stream. This is steep. This was bullish. This is a steep momentum wave with it. This is a steep head and shoulders. Basically, it's a steep. It's vertical. Vertical. And we are right at the breaching moment of the money flow. We are just forming this momentum wave. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm liking what I'm seeing. The 2 hour. Now we're seeing some real curvature here on this 2 hour. Beautiful big green dots. This is basic strategy 101, and it's paid off. Proof's in the pudding, and the pudding's right there. I've told you guys a million times. Basic strategy. Momentum comes down for longs. Momentum comes down deep. We start getting our green dots. We wait. Money flow comes down, starting to curve up. Now we start to look for trigger waves. Momentum comes up. The RSIs, green, tight, coming up. Looking for maybe VWAPs on a smaller time frame to get these entries coming up. I know it's messy, but you know, when we have a bigger time frame like that, we're in on the 30-minute looking for this curvature right here. Like my girlfriend's beautiful round breasts. Right there. That's what it reminds. Right there. That's the entry you want to get. You want to get in right there. Right there. Supple. It is supple with life. Young, fertile, and supple. Getting down to the lower time frames. Money flows looking nice and thick. The green, the locomotive, baby. The locomotive. When's the last time the 15-minute had this much green? The money flow. Close here. It's close there. Price came up. There. Kind of tapped here. Yeah, we don't need to go all the way back, but whatever. Anyways, shout out to the Market Cipher Discord. You guys have been behaving yourselves from what I've seen. You haven't been mean to each other. We're all adults. And this space of trading is a sensitive space. And this isn't none of us have any time for bullshit and stupid drama. We're talking about dollars and cents in a time of chaos. The rest of the world out there is going through drama and chaos. Our community needs to be a place of we have to have our feet on the ground, be cool-minded. It's all right. And you know what? There's been in some of our trades when there's other guys that people have respect for that are amazing traders. Maybe you're going the other way or having a different play. There hasn't been any button heads or anyone saying stupid shit. No one's been bothering me. Maybe I just haven't really read enough, but no one's been pissing me off. That is huge. That's huge. When I can go in my Discord, look around for a little bit, and not get pissed off, that's a good thing. It's a big thing. That doesn't happen that often. Time's flying by. It's flew by. And I also mentioned on the live stream, I want to mention this, that I am making a, for the first time in many, many, many years. I never really had to either. But you guys kind of know, if you've been around, that, you know, I don't have a Coinbase account anymore. Gemini, none of these accounts, they all kicked your boy CryptoFace off without giving me any reasons, but we all know the reasons. I've given them all my paperwork. They've known every dollar, every cent that's come from me, where it's come from. I've given them more information than the IRS, and they still wouldn't fund me. So I had to go elsewhere. And you know what I'm doing this week? I am buying for the first time a chunk of Bitcoin. And you know what they say? You can't eat Bitcoin. You can't sleep Bitcoin. And I'm not going to lie. I was like, damn it. The price has to go up right before I buy a big sack. That's all right. It's all right. Anyways. Now listen. Price action only does two things. It goes up and it goes down. And it always does them both. What's been key for me, I can only speak for myself, is getting into a confident position, following my indications, following basic strategy, setting up the protections. If you're going to sleep or I'm going away, I don't just leave my ass hanging out, coming back to get liquidated. No, I do use stops. I don't have it all in one place. I chop it up 10 times. And I walk away. I go to sleep. Come back tomorrow. Come back later that day. And if you stick to basic strategy and you are taking these trades that really you are just speaking to you, you know, when you, The basic strategy is very simple. It's why Market Cipher has been so successful. Why so many people have been successful with Market Cipher. You know, we haven't pulled up profit logs for a while. Maybe we should take a look. Shout some people out. Hopefully people are still posting. Profit logs. Atif. Way to go, brother. Voodoo. Way to go, KP. Way to go, Jay. Way to go, Chef Knows Best. Way to go, Crypto Sammy. Way to go, Jay Crispy. L. Atif. Latif. Barif. Prototype. Way to go. Testimonials. What do we got? Come on, man. You're supposed to... Listen. This room is for testimonials, bro. You can put profit logs in the profit log channel, or if you have a loss, put it in there too. This is for testimonials. Thank you for posting. Another one. Come on, guys. I'm deleted. If you don't just post, come on, respect. Have some respect. Got passed within 2 days. What is this? Oh. Is this your target? What, you set a goal and you hit it in 2 days? Way to go, bro. What the hell? Got passed. I don't know what this is. This looks pretty cool. Good for you, man. Way to go, White Rabbit. My year's up with MC. My year is up with MC and the family. Super happy to have found this community being able to scale this spread. MC is the best thing ever on earth. Oh, man. Can't wait to get rich as heck with everyone. Also, CryptoFace with MC. Please. Out, guys. I'm going to a lifetime sub this time. Love my mama. Hell yeah. Right on. Thanks, Pennies. I appreciate it, man. Thanks to Market Cipher and Jason Casper's teaching, I was able to gain a killer entry such as this. Don't complicate it, just follow the basic strategy of the indicator balance, since you'll be in the green. Way to go, thanks Cash. First day using MCNF, 6% profit in Forex. There you go, Forex guys. Bought MC and made my money back the second day. I put it to use. I'm a beginner trader. Really does exactly what CF says it does. Been the most confident in my trades, much easier to get into the zone. Let's go! What tabs proves. Thank you guys. Hell yeah. I'm feeling the fuzzy. I'm feeling the fuzzies again. Appreciate it. Thank you. So, listen. We're going to keep marching on. I'm not concerned. Listen, other channels, other places can fall back on DCA and hold forever strategy, and yeah, then we'll always be right. And we're traders, man. We're working within a time frame. That time is now. Don't worry about a month from now. Just worry about now. And with a little bit of guidance, you don't have to worry at all. You just might not have to worry at all. MarketCipherTrading.com, also MarketCipher.com. Also, before I forget, new merch. We got new hats. Not it, just the before we only had the BITUNIX bucket hat, and I'm not hating on it for you guys that like. I know a lot of you guys are BITUNIX like the bucket hat, but I'm not in that shit. We got the MC logo, white MC empowering traders. We got new sweaters for the winter season, empowering traders. This is my favorite. I don't know why. What the hell is this? We're coming up with a new Mike Perry one as well. Empowering traders, new shirts, and if you got one of the early shirts, you know, before we use like Teespring and stuff and the graphics are falling off and shit, I don't know. I need to come up with a coupon code for you guys. These are expensive. I'm going to see if we can lower the, we need a coupon or something. I'm ordering everyone. I'm half our damn sales on all these damn merch. I'm buying all this merch and sending it to our sponsors, and it's costing a fucking fortune. So if you get these shirts and you run them in the washer, if there's any problems and the graphics start falling off, they shouldn't. That's with our old stuff before you take it out. But if it does, I'm going to find out. I ordered a bunch of new merch. It's getting here in 2 weeks. This shit better be good. Teespring. Or you're going to have hell to pay. You're going to have the CryptoFace and Market Cypher community coming after you on Twitter. All right. Thank you guys. Cannot thank you enough. In a chaotic, messed up world that is depressing to think and talk about, the least we can do is make our little space here a happy space. So let's just try to do that we do that by winning trades and being nice to each other. So let's win some trades. We're going to take good trades. We're going to take profits. Okay, if you're paying rent, you're taking profits. If you're paying rent, you're taking profits. And we're going to be happy. Good luck. God bless. Thank you. Peace.